Hey Michelle, yeah, we're having a blast out here, and it's not quite done. This is a 3-day project building a guitar from start to finish. I saw some soldering earlier, but right next to me, we're going to get to see a guitar dipped. And check out the swirls. We'll see in just a minute. It's a process. There's paint in here, and there are 15 local veterans that have come out this weekend. It's about team building. It's also about getting ready for job preparedness and all working together on a goal of finishing a guitar. And again, we've seen it starting from woodworking and staining and painting, soldering, and it's going to be, here's the big dip. And these veterans do get to take these guitars home with them. And let's just see what this looks like. Out the water. Can't wait to see this roll. I've seen a few of these already. Here is the big reveal.
Man.
Wow.
Oh, awesome. Cool.
Look at the stain work on that. Now tomorrow they're going to be working with tuning, and they're going to be able to play these by the end of the weekend. We're going to have a full story of this coming up a little bit later tonight at 8 o'clock. But again, 15 local veterans all working together to build a guitar of their own. Back to you.
Well, we're building these guitars.